Welcome to another episode of our math algorithm programming. Now, in this episode, we're going to discuss about Fibonacci of sequence. Now, in mathematics, the Fibonacci sequence is a sequence in which each number is the sum of the preceding ones. A good example is a staircase. When you're climbing a staircase, you can climb a staircase while stepping a step by step on the staircase. Or else you can decide to jump a one staircase and jump one staircase after the other. So you're going to be you're jumping one staircase, then you're going to the third staircase. So the sum of the numbers that you're going to be jumping should be equals to the number that should give you the Fibonacci number. So the Fibonacci sequence is this, as is explained, is a sequence in which each number is the sum of the preceding ones. So the sum of the previous numbers that you have passed, when you put them together, you're going to find the Fibonacci sequence. Now, given a number with value of n, find the first n element of the Fibonacci sequence. With that, let us jump into our algorithm and see how it is going to work out.